My name is actually written on it. See it. Charming Natural. Woo, I love it. I love it.
Yes!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Chomi V. So I got this beautiful mini YouTube studio that I would love you guys to unbox with me, okay? I hope you like it. Wow, this is actually much bigger than I thought. It was 60 by 60 centimeter. My name is actually written on it. My name is actually written on it. See it. Charming Natural. Woo, I love it. I love it. So what I'll have to figure out now is how to fix it. This is actually very easy to fix, but being that I'm doing it for the first time, the unboxing and fixing, it's very challenging because I had to figure out how to fix it, and it's even bigger than I had expected. So, but I love the size though. Guys, the studio is ready and I'm so loving it. Can you see? Wow. And that is my name. It's way too big than I had imagined, but I'm loving it. Can you see? Oh my goodness. I can't wait to start taking picture with this studio. Oh my god. So I hope I'll be using it to take better pictures because it's really beautiful. This is the size. It's very big, very big, and I love it. All right, guys. So this is what I have to show you, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.